Hello, hello. A very warm welcome to all our friends watching today. I'm Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy you joined us again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two English teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to share our stories.
That's right. Our goal is to make English feel natural and fun. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us enjoying a nice chat.
If you are new here, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow and helps us make more videos for you.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon. That way you will never miss a new lesson with us. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am definitely ready. Today, we are talking about the things we love to do in our free time. Today, we are talking about your hobbies. So, Bella, let's start with the most basic question. What is a hobby?
Well, a hobby is an activity that you do for fun. It is something you do when you are not working or studying. It makes you feel happy and relaxed.
Exactly. Some people have active hobbies, and some people have quiet hobbies. Speaker 2, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading. I love to sit in a quiet corner with a big book and a cup of tea. It helps me travel to different worlds without leaving my house.
That sounds very peaceful. Do you like stories or books about real things?
I love fiction. That means stories that are not real. I especially love mystery stories. I like trying to guess who did it before the end of the book.
You are like a detective. My hobbies are a bit different. I love photography.
Oh, I have seen your photos. You take beautiful pictures of nature.
Thank you. I love going to the park or the forest with my camera. I try to catch the sunlight on the leaves or a bird in the sky. It helps me slow down and look at the world carefully.
You are very creative, Alex, but I know you also like to move. Do you have any active hobbies?
Yes, on the weekends, I love hiking.
Hiking is a great way to stay healthy. Do you go alone?
Sometimes I go alone to think, but usually I go with friends. We wear our hiking boots and bring a backpack with water and snacks. We walk up the hills and look at the view.
I tried hiking once, but I'm a bit lazy. My active hobby is yoga.
Yoga? That looks very difficult. You have to be very flexible, right?
You don't have to be flexible to start. Yoga helps you become flexible. I practice on a yoga mat in my living room every morning. It helps me stretch my body and breathe deeply.
I should try that. My back is always tired from sitting at my desk.
Speaking of being at a desk, some people love drawing or painting. Do you like art?
I'm not very good at drawing. My people look like stick figures. But I do love cooking. I think cooking is a kind of art.
I agree. You have to mix the colors and the flavors. What is your favorite thing to cook?
I love making Italian food. Making pasta from scratch is very fun. It is messy because of all the flour, but the taste is amazing.
I remember the last time you cooked for me. There was flour on your nose the whole night.
Hey, that's the sign of a good chef. What about you, Bella? Do you have a creative hobby?
I love gardening. I have a small balcony with many pots. I grow flowers and even some small tomatoes.
That is wonderful. It is very satisfying to see something grow because you took care of it.
It really is. We call that having a green thumb. It means you are good with plants.
Some people don't do things, they collect things. Have you ever collected anything?
When I was a little girl, I collected stamps. I had a big book with stamps from all over the world. My grandfather sent me letters from different countries.
That is very cool. Stamps are like tiny pieces of history. I used to collect coins. I liked the different shapes and the different faces on the money.
Collecting is a great way to learn about the world. Now, some people collect vinyl records. They say the music sounds better on a big black disc than on a phone.
I have a few records. I love the crackle sound they make. It feels very old-fashioned and special.
Speaker 2, is it ever too late to start a new hobby?
Never. In fact, many people start new hobbies when they get older. My dad started woodworking when he retired. He makes beautiful small boxes and chairs.
That is inspiring. I want to start a new hobby this year. I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Really? That's a great goal. Playing an instrument is a wonderful hobby. It is difficult at first because your fingers might hurt, but it is so rewarding to play a song.
I know. I can practice and then we can sing together.
Only if you promise not to laugh at my singing.
You know, Alex, I think our biggest hobby is actually talking. We can talk for hours.
You are right. We should put chatting on our list of hobbies. But really, it's nice to share these things. Hobbies make us interesting people.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, you can ask, "What do you do for fun?" or "What are your hobbies?" It's a great way to make friends.
And it's okay if your hobby is something simple, like watching movies or listening to music.
Or even napping. Napping is my favorite secret hobby on Sunday afternoons.
Napping doesn't count as a hobby, Bella. That's just sleeping.
If it makes me happy and I do it in my free time, it's a hobby.
Bella, let's give our students some advice. How can they use their hobbies to learn English?
That is a great idea. If you love a hobby, try to learn the vocabulary for it in English. If you like cooking, read a recipe in English.
Or if you like watching movies, try to watch them in English with subtitles. You will learn new words while you have fun.
You can also join an online group for your hobby. If you like photography, share your photos and write a short caption in English.
A caption is that short description under a picture. That's a great way to practice writing.
And don't be afraid to talk about your hobbies. Even if you only know a few words, people will understand your passion.
Well, Bella, talking about hobbies has made me want to go out and take some photos.
And I think I will go and read my book for a little while.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope it helped you think about your own hobbies in English.
What about you? What is your favorite hobby? What do you love to do when you are not working?
Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your stories. It's a great way for you to practice your writing.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. It really helps Ready Talk reach more students around the world.
And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button below. Join our community and let's learn English together.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You are doing a fantastic job.
We will see you in the next video with another fun topic.
Until then, keep doing what you love and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.